Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. Your boy just been grinding. The grind don't stop, man. But I've been busy. Camaro parked, not here, but it's at the crib right now. But I'm decided to stop by my neighborhood after work. So this is where we at now, man. So I just want to show you guys like the new process from how far it has came since the last time I showed you guys. So this is it. This is the new blueprint headquarters, man. So I can't wait to show you guys. So let's go up here and check it out. All right, man. So we walking into the garage, man. So this is crazy. This is real crazy. So driveway pushed back a little bit for our neighbors so I can get more space. As you can see, like with their vehicle there, like that's not a lot, especially us having this decent sized garage here. So 2 cars here, especially wifey car up front, and then another car, the channel car. So yeah, but looking at that, that's not enough space. And then shout out to Q, and then right there, cause my neighbors down there got a Miata. It's on the other side, so they got the ND4 just like Q, only in black. So yeah, this is the process, how far it came, man. So this is the garage here. Nice. Got the LED going through here. I'm planning on getting like a big bar, like a shop light, so it can be a lot brighter in here. So when I'm working on my car and doing mods and stuff like that, I got this space here. So I'm very excited to have a garage to do the stuff I want to do in here. And then after that, we walking into the house. So walking into the house right here. To the left is the pantry. This is the pantry room, LEDs throughout the whole house. But this is the pantry right here. This would be looking nice here. And then, I'm taking y'all through like what I normally go through, but that's cool though. We go through here. This is in the kitchen. So this is kind of like how the kitchen is getting set up right here, which is nice. I'm glad I'm sharing this experience with you guys, because if y'all guys going to build a house, it's the same steps y'all going to be going through. But as y'all can see, like that is the entryway from the garage straight into the backyard. So the backyard is still getting done, but it's straight through, which is nice. Like I said, this is the kitchen right here. This is the whole living room. Big living room spot right here. I don't know why they got that pallet in there. But yeah, but if y'all coming through to visit, this is the front door. So y'all come through the front door, y'all get a visual like how it is with my neighbor, which I don't care for like that. Not saying I don't care for the neighbor, but I don't care for like how close it is. That's the only thing I don't like so far. But I mean, we walk in, boom, and then walk-in closet right here for your coats and hangers, and then right here is like a half bath. So yeah, walking in, this is nice. And then, you know, the sliding door. Oh, because we got it locked to the backyard. I met my neighbors before I started this video who's staying right there, so they're pretty cool people. But yeah, it's nice that we get in the backyard all the way out there. Like I feel bad because they're not gonna have that much backyard space due to me pushing this back a little bit. So it's all right. But we got a nice little spot, nice little patio. I get nice little stuff to like deck out back here. So that's pretty nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this back here yet. Like I may put like turf or something like that, and then like with a palm tree. Like I don't know. I'm still working on it. But once it get all set up and built, like once it's ready to move in, of course I'm gonna show you guys like that setup. But this is the back of the house. It's weird seeing the house with the styrofoam on here, but that's what they use first to put stucco on here, because then it'll start looking like that. So my house color will look like, I think this brown one right here. So that's the color of the house is gonna be. I believe, no, it's not gonna be that brown. I think it's gonna be like this color here, if I'm not mistaken. But there, we got this nice view. Nice view right there. Look at the views on views with the mountains right here surrounding us all the way. And then look, if I go through here, big mountain right there. So yeah, plenty of good mountain views. It's a lot cooler up here too. So elevation is about like 3,000 square feet. So if I do any 60 to 130 times, just know I'm pretty high up there. And then this up here is like the upstairs, of course. So when I start doing my videos, This is where I'll be most likely doing it at. This is going to be my YouTube bachelor pad right here. So this is going to be nice. So then y'all see the nice views on views with me up here. That's why I said that nice mountain view. So y'all see the views with me all the time, every time I record. Washer room, stuff like that, linen cabinet. This right here gonna be my boys' room. Then bathroom, of course, nothing special there. Then the master bath. I mean, not the master bedroom. So this is nice with a nice view, with the views on views. So, and bathroom right there. So that's pretty sweet. I'm glad I'm here because I'm showing y'all this because we're doing the pre-drywall inspection this week. By the next time I'll show you guys this because I didn't want to show you guys like pictures of every single thing, every single step of the process, like with them pouring the concrete down, because I was here for everything. So it was crazy. I didn't want to show y'all guys everything, but I feel like this is an important step to show you guys because it's like the pre-drywall inspection. Like, so I got an inspector coming out, want to check everything, third party, make sure everything is all right, make sure the wires and stuff is all right up there. So we got stuff in motion, just busy, man. So a lot of stuff been going on, but this is how far the house has made it, man.